The ice cream in my car is gonna be liquid.
Your mom's unloading it, you dumbass.
I don't have my mic on, Nico. Sorry. It probably hears me though. Yeah, it hears me. This thing always freaking hears me.
I'm fully expecting to find like a squirrel or something as we pop these things open. Just a squirrel jump out.
Isn't it funny how it throws that chalk into those grooves even? The line didn't go in there, it threw the dust. It just You don't find that interesting?
That's so awesome.
Nico's filming it for you.
He was very upset about this.
Cassie's turning into an asshole. She's gonna be the biggest asshole out of all my daughters.
He calls me names.
That's because she works with you too much.
I don't say that, but I'm telling you, man, it's happening.
I don't even know why he's so upset. Okay?
Just because every time he talks to you, you're just like, whatever.
Why does he expect me to be impressed by the fact that it threw chalk into an empty space?
You're trying to kill Christmas?
I'm not trying to kill it. I'm just asking. Just call me the Grinch, baby. Well, we made it up here. We're here.
Push play.
It's done now?
No,
They're never
No.
done.
So Quinton, you stop 1, 2, 3 on this one, and then so 8 is 16, 3 would be 19.
The heck? 1, 2, 3, 8, 16, 19.
I'm laughing at that Cassie's yawning in the video.
I was? Where? I didn't see
go back and
it.
listen to
Look,
this.
it was early.
Let's just listen to this. Listen.
8 is 16, 3 would be 16,
I didn't think I would have noticed that if you guys didn't point it out. Here's your... It's not even a yawn. It's like she just got like the wind knocked out of her. Coming back to life.
Somebody took
The
over
numbers
her
finally
soul.
made sense. It's fine.
and then on the front probably be 1, so it'd probably 20. So we need 20, which means if you, depending on how many sheets you have, that's what the height we need to go. So we need 20 pieces. Let's go see how many sheets you got.
Oh, crap.
Can you manage this for me?
I did a bad thing.
What'd you do? Oh, I guess I don't have tools.
I forgot to grab staples.
Of course you did.
Well, that's gonna be a problem.
I forgot a lot of things this day.
Do we have any sawhorses here, Quinton?
I don't think we have sawhorses.
Cassie, did you bring any sawhorses?
There's some still in your truck.
My truck's not here.
Oh, that's true. That's not good.
So we have sawhorses, but not here. Well, I can cut on the trailer. I'll use a trailer as sawhorse. Can we throw these in your truck?
Yeah.
Trash. That's not good.
Yeah.
Ready? Yep.
You just cut them off the back of the truck here.
Bottom line, I can't win. I cannot have a project where I have the tools that I need. Do we got the spring and shit?
Spring, yes.
You should have said spring yes. No.
You're saying I have no staples. Is that a stapler right there?
Yeah,
But you don't have my staples?
there's some in it.
How long are the staples?
I don't know. There's different lengths that you can.
How do you get these out?
Don't know. It fell down, it looks like. Sort of.
Yeah, but where did they go to?
Not out.
It's painful to watch, actually. And I was living it. Just pull this back and fire one in here. Oh, I want to look at it, see how far it goes up. That's pretty good. As long as we PL it too, I think I can probably live with that. Ouch. Some
We don't have
staples poke.
TL.
What?
TL was in your truck too.
It's terrible. You guys are killing me. I gave you a list last night.
I know. Literally the whole night before, as I was loading all this stuff up off my list, I'm like, that's in Dad's truck, that's in Dad's truck, that's in Dad's truck. Only to realize when we got there that we don't have Dad's truck.
So what do? Go back in the house?
Yes.
Go move on to a different job? I need someone to go get stuff because Cassie didn't bring shit. What else don't I have? Quinton, are you okay? Do you need help?
Me? I'm good, man.
You're still trying to get that staple out?
It don't seem like you're good to me.
It hasn't been that long.
It don't seem like you're good to me.
I'm good.
I'm fixing to take over. Pull the staple out of the board. He about stabbed himself with that staple. Did you see that?
Oh, the trailer just says our biggest project yet, this shed.
It was pointing right at the shed right here.
My man Quinton, he opened his door and popped that roller out. You popped that roller out on purpose, didn't you? Didn't you?
You talking to me?
Yes.
What?
You popped this damn roller out so the door would stay up.
No. I think it comes out every time I roll the roller up. Or I never reinstalled that actually.
I only waited about 2 months for Quinton to fix his door without me. But I think this cable's okay. I honestly just think the spring broke and all hell broke loose with it. And I gotta get it all unjammed because it's all tangled up and there's a bunch of bad shit happening here.
As long since it's been dead.
Found a squirrel?
Yeah.
Yeah, he's been dead a while though.
I feel like Quinton like planted that squirrel, you know?
probably
Like
did.
so he at the beginning he was like gonna shock all of us when he like knew it was there already. Like
Did. How did he plant the squirrel?
like
that he did?
this first date with Mandy, he was just like, I'm gonna go plant the squirrel one day, I'm gonna find it.
When he first started
How would he get the wall off?
When he first
He had
started
Layla
back
like
in the
dig a
house.
hole down there, remember? And
He
bring it out
didn't.
there.
He put it in the shed alive.
Concrete.
He put it in the shed alive and it couldn't get out. It's died in the wall.
Okay.
Little pig.
Why though?
What?
What is that? Yeah. Okay. What's that mean? That little pig.
It did surprise me that he didn't know what that means. Do you know what a little pig is?
So you're gonna blow down the house?
At least you understand that part. You don't know the 3 little pigs?
All right, this is how you replace a spring on a garage door.
Cool.
Quinton replaces the spring on the garage door by ignoring it.
I didn't even know it was broken. I thought the door was just a piece of crap.
It was on your list to fix.
I know.
Yes, when we made the list, that's when he told me that the spring was broken. But before then, like months ago when you guys were like, fix the door, I didn't know it had a broken spring.
Until Dad comes and makes him a deal to help him.
I still kind of feel like it's a dream right now.
I know. It's usually how it feels when you get to work with me.
The way Shane's gonna bless me with his presents.
No, I've said it once, I'll say it again. Mandy could not have found a better fit. The man fits our family. There's no two ways about it. Okay, let it go now once. What happens? All right, listen to me. I'm holding something in here and I'm not happy about it. I have to have some sort of a vice grip or a clamp or something. Or unless Quinton wants to come, and I don't think he's tall enough, and stand and hold this spring.
What? What do you need?
I don't think I need someone to pull that spring towards me and hold it for probably 30 seconds to a minute.
Whoa.
And I don't know if you got enough height to do that.
And where's it gotta
You
go?
can grab that pulley and just pull it towards me.
What do you say?
I don't
Me move.
pull that spring towards me and hold
You
it.
need me pull. Be pull.
Can you like do that? Whoa! You don't have to jerk because he's jerking is bad.
Jerking back?
Yeah. Then he starts jerking. That's his thing. Throw some weight into it, man. About the time the shed wall falls over. Is it a yes or a no?
I don't know if I'm very long. How far does it gotta go?
You were about there. You're fine where you were, probably, I think. At least to get me started. And then I can take some pressure from you.
Hang on a second.
Okay. So I'm gonna come. Oh, that's good. That's good. It was just relaxed. Holy shit, that's more than enough. Give me a minute. I'm struggling over here. What the hell is that so tight for? Oh, it's because of you. Can you lift up a little? Okay, that's good right there. Not let it, not let's, yeah, that's fine. Make that right. I'm having to pull like hell, and I'm not happy about that. But all right, let go once. What's wrong? You don't want to let go? You're scared? All right. See how the door feels? So you want to come down?
I have to pull pretty hard.
It pulls really hard.
Pretty hard.
Okay, hold on a second. Let me see that side over there. All right, I'm gonna loosen this up, so I'm let it up.
You gonna hold the spring?
I'm gonna try to. Yeah, if you could, it'll be quicker though. But let me do this. Yeah, let me push this up. All right, give me some pressure off of it. Okay, hold on. Okay, let go. Quinton, how's that feel?
Better, but still.
Still seems like it wants to fly it by itself?
I don't think it will fly up.
Well,
Yeah, it will.
all right, Quinton, let's do it again.
It looks like he's doing like yoga or something.
He is doing yoga.
Warrior poses.
Quinton went to a special place there. You can look at his face. He's not there. He's like, he's gone. Are we gonna watch? Okay, try that, Cassie. You lift it up and see if it goes on its own, or huh?
It doesn't.
See, that's the way it should work. You should be able to lift it up and it just kind of stops wherever you stop it.
Wow.
I think it's probably.
I think it's okay.
I think it's better. Don't you think it's better?
Yes.
Seems like that's all I've been doing lately since garage doors. See that one over there? From here, it looks like the door works. The door's just fine, doesn't it?
No.
Somebody bent the hell out of the door. You know how they bend it, Quinton?
It's the wrong direction.
Someone else broke. That's the one Stephanie hit.
With the four-wheeler. Never happened.
It did. We all know it happened.
At the house, yeah. They backed into it with a truck.
Oh. Look at her face. She's like, I this too will pass.
And then we had, like, took 3 or 4 tries to try to get it done. And then I included a video, made a video about it, gave it to him as a task.
Do you listen to anything he's saying?
And then nothing happened. We decided to sell the house. So then we go to order one, and COVID says, screw you. You ain't getting one this year. And I'm like, well, shit. So I had to go and get technical with some leverage and some pressure is what I had to do.
You got them all cut up. Put them on, caulk it, paint it. Clouds are cool. Again, this is all just, we got the shed fixed up, and then I'm just helping Quinton with some of the more complicated tasks that he didn't get done while I worked with Scott. So we had some doors that we had to fix that had some hinge issues. Pool house needed a little work on the pool pump. We're fixing doors, fixing door trim. He's pretty much got everything pressure washed, I think, at this point.
Can I see that duck?
Duck.
In the window.
Oh, make sure this gangster duck.
Yeah, they cut its head off.
So I had a cute one and they popped it and somebody's just like, yeah, let's buy her a ghetto one.
So we have a duck butt to float on. You're doing a really good job, Cassie, putting these doors back on.
Thank you.
See, we work late. It's hard work. This is a different day though, because the doors are painted now. Quinton did all that. We took them all off. He got them all painted.
Baby.
She's like, here, take my child.
My Joe took just a little square
He
off.
does not sit still.
So I think we're pretty much done. I think the house is set up. We're ready to sell it. They'll just get it listed. Anybody want a house?